This customer challenged Moco to clean his entire property. Here's the full story. The house was a mess, caked in years of grime, green mold climbing the siding like ivy, and a patio buried under layers of dirt and forgotten memories. The customer had lived here for decades, but time and life had taken its toll. He made Moco a deal. If you can bring this place back, I'll throw in little extra cash. And just when Moco didn't blink, he fired up the pressure washer and got to work. It wasn't just dirt, this was history, layered thick and heavy. But inch by inch, Moco cut through it all. However, the most satisfying moment? Revealing the original white siding underneath the moss, like peeling back time. By the end, the house looked brand new, and the customer just stood there, just like he got his old memories back. So if you think that transformation was worth it, drop a like.